hope all is well. So I know it's been like a week since I've posted a video, and I want to continue with the follow-up of KHANICE Jackson. Alright, so on March 21st, the GLEANER via a Twitter feed was reporting that the police is awaiting the forensic to see if what this unscrupulous Johncrow did before or after he had KHANICE Jackson. Certain words, I can't say it because of YouTube, but you will get the drift. Then right after that, I saw on Nationwide, following up, that the police are checking if he was in a second one. Said who could tell, one time too many. And then after that, I realized that the girlfriend broke her silence. Some people are saying that she knew what was going on, or she enabled him, or she hide him, but this is what she has to say.
Alright, so I see a video made the video that go out, see him last time. I see people, not everybody more of a call, some people who have sense really sit down and look into the video and answer it. I see where a lot of people are saying that may I defend him, may I uphold him, may they know say my killer, me did this and me did that. Okay, listen, I give the stories of it, because see them only give the piece where them want to cut out and put out there. Firstly, when they hear me say he was a nice whatever person, that they asked me the type of person he was towards me, and I replied, me saying he was this type of person or whatever has nothing to do with the case, or trying to prove that him innocent or is a good man or what, because all if you're innocent you're a good blood clot man. Once you take a life, a death, so it there. You cross a line that can never be broken, because what, you kill somebody. Cool? Okay. They must say me not have no sympathy or no remorse. How much more remorse can I show? How much more can I show? The day when I cry, I call my sister, then I cry about it. I can't do no more. I call the mother, I call the phone. I call the number that was there on the missing person, and I wasn't sure if it is the boyfriend I talked to, but I talked to somebody. But I talking to him, I never discuss the nature of the relationship that we spoke about. But when we spoke about it and him done talk, him end up that him come back, and the mother was there, and the mother wanted to hear what I had to say, and I said it. After saying what I had to say, they say to contact the nearest, whatever, and I also did that. See, people don't know, people are always stop, because people love to assume and think, bring down people more ever. Woman feeling as if is everybody out there is the same, or feeling that we have people out there with non-good intention or whichever. I am a woman, and the same way I do that to that little girl, or the same way I could have do it to me too. Same when every day I talk to him is a dirty man, and I'm not gonna take it back. When I talk about him to get life in a prison, rare. Anybody know me and wish to speak and hear me talk about this, I hang them for blood clot, hang him by him balls. Hang them to hang him by him balls. I not support no former rapist or no type of killer, because once you cross the line with them type of things, they are done. You understand? When me meet him wasn't a person like that. Me meet him have my man, me in my relationship. Everybody I talk about him baby mother. I'm living. Me not live with this man, people. I don't live with this man. This man is not my personal man, or whichever it is. It's not that way. Alright, go. But instead of people asking, everybody just want to jump and say, alright, this, wagwan, or share this, whatever the case may be. You get me? I talk about pretty. Me not ugly. I'm a very pretty person too. He's a very nice person, but at the end of the day, we not talk about color, and we not talk about looks, because what, someone lost their life. But instead of we really sitting looking down and sit and think about it, no, we rather to jump and bash and this one woman, because what she did there with the man. I never tell him to do whatever it is that him do. If I could have stopped it that day, I would have done that. But what, I couldn't do that. You understand? So how is it me to say I'm wicked, and then I say me a cover up for him because I'm the first and man for run joke like that? Listen to me, my name is a type of person. I'm very dramatic. Sometimes we say some things to me, and more while I laugh at it, I say some man where that come from, but I don't know intention no way. Like they simply speaking, I say probably they go kill themselves or they can't manage them type of person. I go things and Mrs. take it and say dramatic it or whichever. Whenever really I think about that, I say this person really would have commit such an act or whichever. When him say to me, I take myself and I go to the yard, run at the yard, go look the yard gate up and everything. I did it probably about 5 minutes. I turn to sister and say, come move, because I don't see vehicle and I know some left vehicle go work this morning whatsoever. You understand? So I never really, but when I realize this, I get older and now I'm serious. I never just sit down with it because I could feel within myself, no, it's something like this happen. And even when me kind of have a little bit of intuition about it or kind of summarize something, I know probably like this will take place, you know, and then never slow and don't do it. Anybody who wish to speak or try to reach out to the family or the boyfriend that tell it just as the same. I've been talked to them already. I've been show my remorse. I've been said what I had to say. And them tell me thanks a million times. You understand? I not protect this dirty man and I will never forget prison and forget ink by blood clot balls. And I say it, I not take it back because I not support no rapist and no killer. But you see through all the video come out and just the same, if I was the one who was over here on this side looking in and the video that I put up last time, I probably think the same thing too, but I always say don't judge a book by cover, not because here I probably say something. I remember this, and this is the media, and the media twist your words and put it how they want it because what they want them highlight whatsoever. Nowhere in the conversation speaking yesterday, well, I was on the phone talking to them on the live, did I ever try to protect this man or say anything? And throughout the most talking of it, I just had this thing, so I must have this thing, so. You understand? So many of I try to protect this money or pick up for this money because there's nothing in that nobody could have possibly picked up unless you are the same too. Unless you use the same type of person for you to be picking up with somebody who do such an act. Them ask the type of person he was towards me, answer the type of person he was towards me. It has nothing to do with the fact that because I Ray and because of this. So may I beg people, please stop put it the way how they want put it, because that's not how it is. You get a message? That's not how it is. I'm wrong. I'm going to forever be wrong because the girl lose her life 20 years. She shouldn't even live no life. She shouldn't have been away yet. And I'm look point of it, so the same thing would have do to me too. Same thing you would have do to me too if it come to that part. It would do the same thing, but what? God say and God know what was going to be the outcome of all this. So God makes sure same put up on a side where and say it's a safe side, but yet still have a knowledge of what took place and can help towards whichever the case may be. You understand? If me that protect this man, would I aid him, would I support him in the day they run away or go country or go do whichever it is. You understand? But no, me not do nothing like that. Me just my comfort and try to get the authority to get on it as how them should. Anybody talk about the boyfriend make him get locked up with the rubbish not talk about the boyfriend surmise that they were together. The boyfriend never have no proof. They must just say him because he used to bring her to work and probably bring her home. They never have nothing concrete about it or sure, nothing. And that is something the boyfriend can attest and speak it for himself. Is after speaking to him a little bit, after probably about 10 minutes speaking to him by a quaint yes, the suspect name went out online and all these type of things they are saying rated whatsoever. It's a big old blood clot crusty man for me. When I know this man, I have my good man, I still have my man. It's just a big man, you know, so him love me for certain. So if him see me and them look vibes, the 5 years and life is not a 5 years with me and him in a relationship and living, because we not living. And to all the type of person is, me no want nobody still any type of way come on top of me, especially a older man a certain way. There's nothing wrong with him at the end of the day. Man, I tell us like say my scanny man Ray and Tay, and you get me? No. And just because you want to piece of picture with people but them put out, but him look the way the people are gonna say him look like a rapist and he look like this, whatever, whatever. There are a whole lot of pictures there, but people look for the worst to put up. But as me say, me not debate or go down in pandata. At the end of the day, what I'm talking about is me not protect this man, me not defend this man. This man for go prison 99 times. I say it already, I go say it again. Anybody who know me knows me is an independent blood clip, girl. I'm independent hustle. Me not have time I depend on me. I'm not dependent. Anybody who knows me can say that me not dependent. So not a boy your night to stop this. Oh please, I get work for what I want. Crazy? Crazy, me not sit down and depend on mama, because we all know how that go. You know it nice when you like you look a paycheck a week time or whichever when you look a year and you come here a year one, because what are you work it? Not nice like that. You understand? When me meet him, I have my man, he know what the situation was in the have somebody else so. Me end up and talk about 2 year when it reached 2 years, I got 3 years down at the relationship because I end up had a miscarriage. And I never deal. Long after I come out of hospital and everything, but probably a year after, me end up and get back in contact with me because through me and my mom, I never really prayed about. When I get in contact away out. Man him talking, I call me. Say, good Johnny, whatever way to say, whichever the case, me cool, whatever link me. Alright, if my pass come my say, no, say me come your side, we talk, whatsoever. That's it. It's since last year. I'm actually they were stronger last year. But in a June them time there. Me and this man start conversate back on a level. But it still wasn't a proper level for art man in the cause. We could never the cause me have my man. You get me? For the 5 years, I don't make a name much time ago. I'm going probably about 8. Not about 8, I lie more without tell. Probably about 12, 14 times. There. And most of the time I go there, I there with him, I chat a little bit, and I left. I don't know sexual, nothing, I don't know nothing like that. You get me? But the true people is not there. People can just say whatever they want to say because well, that's how people is. Instead of trying to find out the truth, them speculate, them assume, them bash somebody, them put them down whatsoever. I never terrorific nobody, just as in family. So then the need for threatening babe and then the need for threatening pick my cousin. None of us had nothing to do what him do. If we had a say in it that day, if we could have stopped it, I know for a fact it would have stopped and Khanice that day here same way. It should have been here same way. We want no remorse. We want to see me drop and run and not cry and hold me and say, boy, this and that, whatever. Come on now, people. How much more can a person do? I can't do no more. I can't say no more. I can't whatever no more. You understand? At the end of the day, I am human just like anybody else. And me take it the way just like how people that see it on earth and come. Not even road more because when I people see me, remember remark somebody said to me, say, hey, Robert. And I was like, my Robert, never push out nobody. Never push out nobody big fuss for him to be my Robert. You understand? Those are the type of things we have to go by daily, but because of people and how people is. Me not in no form of support with this man or whatever. I say it already, I say it again. Them for hang him and them for hang him by him fucking balls. Here. Hang him by because if he them find out upon this, they say pussy was here for a pussy you did want. You never get my own. So, you have to get. And that's why you probably do whatever it is that I do to the girl. So you see, people only know things, people only speculate at us just because them see a little white line. Alright, they must spread the line bigger. Like white out, and just a white out, I go cross, so just a rewrite and I carry on. And take your own words and put it somewhere else. Or put it else out. You get to me, I try to say. Everybody have a sensitive side sometimes where people don't like nobody load up on them, and that's what I meant when I said sensitive. So not like people load up on him and them type of way. So it surprised me if you know say a man like that who always complain about me rough with him because he's a very rough person. You know, I never try that to pan out cold like me because I'm rough. The truth can he's soft and probably nice and look innocent towards him. She not act a certain type of way. Maybe. But at the end of the day, not because you may see something out there and everybody around it and jump with you up onto and brag on this person and say it. Big up to everybody who out there and who in the comment section where I talk and I say when them attack say nonsense because the girl has nothing to do with it and she not defend him XYZ rated. Again, I'm upset, I'm ignorant with CVM because at the end of the day, the video was out there. You cut off the video a certain way. When people see, people feel as if I'm online with her, I support with her and I upload whatever it is that I do. The video was not placed out there, right? I've been asked from last night, I text and asked him for the full video so I could put it for people to see. You get me? I don't want nobody to bash me because of this dirty man and him actions them when him take. If it's up to me, him not dead. If it's up to me, him probably string up. You hear me? I tell people that about jungle justice as same way some see because it was a family member of mine. It wouldn't go like that. Again, but who are we? Who are we to judge? We're not God. We can be judge, jury, or executioner. That's not us. You get me? That's not our role. That's not what we come here for. But you have a whole lot of people like to take up that role in them hand and put it upon themselves to pass judgment around against people. Just because body bullshit, bleach, this and that. Where? Them tell the people knows nothing. Nothing people knows. Nothing. You get me? Nothing. To be honest, what I felt as if transpired the argument in the morning. Because seeing that the days them prior to that, me never know nothing good because I kind of think I done me do in feel the ways they make and do because a man him jealous and love watch. You know me, every man him always used to make some little talk or some little problem or not really problem, some little talk. Pretending some things and it never really mesh with me, you get me? Never really sit well with me whatsoever. So me done the have plan leave him the 23rd or the 23rd of my birthday and the 24th. All of this happened. You understand it? 24th. When me see everybody write up Friday, wow, that was quick when he get catch whatsoever. It was quick. It was really quick. You see, I wonder if I the right person, I wonder if this and that about boyfriend. Check again. No, boyfriend did nothing. Boyfriend put out there, boyfriend, them call him, themselves for this and if him have her for bring him back in only some miles. But them had no concrete evidence where they were not sure about anything. You understand? Some of the like people to stop, bash and assume and feel as if say me I support this man in whatever it is that no cause me not support him, I could never support it. And if I did my brother do it, him have to get trouble out too. Him have to get trouble out too. You understand? Me a woman, she lose her life because of our carelessness. Because of this dirty man could keep him honest to himself. She lose her life, and if I could go back in time and rewind and go back to the day when all that happened, I would. If I could have done something, I would have done it, but I can't. Some just have to live the way you can live now with always with this in the back of my head. So I'm sorry, I never push more effort when my God had to go in the house and make things there. That is the only regrets I have towards it. You understand? Some want people to stop feel as if say me uphold with this man or me with this man with whatever it is that he must say. If I got prison, if I got prison 99 times, then if I hang him and hang him by him balls, that could have been me. That's all I want to say. I support the man, I just want people to stop saying I support him, please.